Mhm.
Hello. Hello. हाँ पांडे जी क्या वॉइस नहीं आ रहा?
हेलो।
हाँ जी हाँ जी। हेलो
सर
Hello. Is Dr. Dipendra is there?
सेकंड वाले स्पीकर को बुला लें। सेकंड वाली स्पीच किसकी है मैडम?
Dipendra मेरे में सेकंड वाले सब ही नहीं मिल
मैडम
रहा।
आर यू हियरिंग माय वॉइस?
Yes sir, hearing sir. Wait a minute sir.
ओके मैडम ओके। कैन आई शेयर इट दैट पीपीटी?
सर एक प्रिंट आउट दीजिए ना। सर एक प्रिंट आउट दीजिए ना, वाला स्लॉट में कौन है? प्रिंट ही नहीं मिला मेरे स्लॉट में। नहीं ये नहीं। अच्छा ये दे दीजिए। हेलो।
यस मैडम।
Yes, Dr. Anubhav Agarwal is there.
नो मैडम बोधी चंदर।
Okay, I know sir. Dr. Anubhav Agarwal has to chair this session. Dr. Agarwal, are you there sir? Hello. Dr. Agrawal, are you there? Sir, wait a minute. I'm calling him.
ओके ओके।
Dr. Bhathi Chandra, sir.
Yes,
Actually,
madam.
we are waiting for Dr. Anubhav Agrawal, chair of this session.
No
So
problem, no problem.
Please wait, sir. Dr. Amog, we are waiting for Dr. Anubhav Agrawal, chair of this session.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
अमुक सर के लेक्चर
Okay. So good morning, everyone. I'm going to Dr. T. Bhathi Chandra. His topic is recent development composite materials for UAV techniques in Indian defense research. And he is from Ambo University, Ethiopia. So we welcome you, sir, and welcome to other participants. So no need to wait for him. If he is joining, then it's better. Otherwise, we'll continue. Okay,
Okay,
over to
ma'am.
you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Dr. Bhathi Chandra.
आज सर आपको सेशन क्लियर के लिए टाइम दिया गया था ना टाइम क्या बजे टाइम स्लॉट सबसे पहला कॉलम टाइम स्लॉट का है ना इसमें तो आपने नहीं किया
Can I start, madam? Hello?
Yes, sir, visible and audible.
Okay, okay, okay.
Please proceed.
Okay. Very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bodhi Chandar from Ambo University, my specialization for industrial engineering. Welcome to all dignitaries and especially for honorable chairpersons, and a special thank to Dr. Raju Kishore Pandey to invite for the conference. So all who are the participation for the meetings. So again, once again, for good morning to all. So today's section, I'm going to discuss about my topic, recent development of composite materials for UAV techniques in Indian Defense Research Organizations. So special thanks to our colleagues and my friend also, he's a batchmate. He's working as a scientist, as a group director also in Aeronautical Development Establishment, Bangalore. So let you start our discussions. The first introduction, we are going to discuss about materials and methods, the development and fabrications. They are using in the two types of process. One is the fabrication of composite airframe components for UAV and fighter aircrafts. The second is process development, improvement over conventional method of composite fabrication. The last one we are going to discuss about the composite repairs. how to repair it for the different UAV parts. So everybody know about the composite. The composites are materials made of two or more constitution with the different physical chemical properties. So the two or more chemical different component constitutions, we are going to consider matrix. That is a matrix variety of thermosetting resin systems. The another one is a mixing of reinforcement, the variety of glass, carbon fibers, or fabric of non-lithic structures, or skin sandwich. Synthetic form core of sandwich structures, they are also manufacturing using in the defense research organization, especially it is using in the aeronautical development establishment agencies. They are preparing all types of composite materials. So what is the sandwich? It is a physical form of the development of embedded hollow microsphere resin matrix. So we are going to discuss about the two types of methods. It is the methods, it is one of the thermoforming process used for manufacture for many different parts according to our design. So that is why in our laboratory, we are going to discuss about for two types of method. One is a match die molding, second is vacuum batchings. So the fabrication of composite components. So how we are going to fabricate using in the different types of our missiles, using in our research organizations. The fabrication of composite components using the two types of things, the composite parts for UAV vehicles. That UAV vehicle is also, unmanned aerial vehicles, how they are using from the four types. Lakshya, that is a pilotless target aircraft, PTA. Nishan, the reconnaissance of vehicles, that is a recognition for locations. Nirbhaya, that is a subsonic crucial vehicles. Restrums is a male UAV. The second category for synthetic form of sandwich broadband randoms. That is a fighter aircraft, Sukhoi and MiG and She-Aries, etc. These are the using our fabrication composite. The different parts they are preparing in our laboratories, defense laboratories. We'll see one by one what are the composite technology using in the Lakshya, the product. They're using for composite tools for fairings, wing tips, and tail cones. They are using in our laboratories. The composite airframe components also they are making skin, fairing, nose cone, tail cone, air tanks, Lensberg lens, wing tips, tail fin assemblies. We'll see the one by one what are the assembly product they are making in our laboratories. The first one is the tailwind assemblies. These are the air tank depending upon the capacity of air tank they are manufacturing from composite materials. The Lensberg lens, and this is for the PTA fairing front for fuselage engines, the composite parts, the PTA fairing real wings, vertical takeoff and horizontal takeoff fuselage. These are also preparing our laboratory only. If we are next, we'll consider for Nissan, the composite Nissan, that different types of tool development also they are making, the composite mold for different wings, mold for modified C and S brand antenna housings. The few fabricate components also they're preferring for Nissan aircraft, the composite wings, the payload, dome covers, kits, the para containers, the strut fairings, antenna covers. Again, we'll see one by one what are the things. These are the different composite they are preparing for parts in the Nissan aircraft, the composite mold and the wing section. They're preparing for the DRDO laboratory. These are payload domes, rear and front, the skid, the payload dome for assembly. And composite in Nirbhaya wings. If we are going to different types of wing, they are making the composites. The pattern making for mold for wings, the composite wing mold, the different types of spare and Rochelle formers, the layout for the wing formation using in the composite fibers, using the carbon fibers, the closing mold for assembly, how they are going to preparing with the closed container. After the curing, it will be easy to make your modifications as per our size and dimension to modify the wing before the trimming. After the trimming, it will be used in the assemblies. So these are the different types of fin they are making connected with the composites. Dorsal form of the shape for aerofoil with the metal hinged, connected with the composite material. The layup from the carbon fabric around the shape forms using when the n number of mixing ratio and curing temperature after we are going to using in the shape of will come out. Layup or the positioning in the mold, different types of mold making, and the positioning of the grain fiber they are also using. After the closing mold assembly, the fabricate will, the final will come for this, the shape will come fabricated for the fin. The different types of the air tank also making in the Nirbhaya aircraft, the vacuum badging in the air tanks and tanking modification of S shape and air shape in the fuselage of the curvatures, depending upon the sizes they are also making. If you are come for the fourth category, the composite for distance, they are using different kind of camera housings, right wings as for the rostrum, right and left, they are going to consider the different types of composite modified the cowlings of the incorporation with the hinging with the landing gear doors. The second rostrum part 2, the airframe designing for the development. These are the assembly of airframe, different types of mold, the skin tools, the ribs, the fuselage assembly tools, the fuselage, what are the size, how much you are going to consider as per the exact size, they are going to fuselage assembly. Finally, they are going to fix. So we can get the final shape will come for the different types of airframe designs, air ribs, the finally will come for the shapes. So next will come for the development of composite for the fighter aircrafts. So generally we are using in the synthetic formation of the second slide, we are discuss about the how they are going to making in the different type of synthetic formation in the sandwich size. So the synthetic form, the sandwich broadband, randomness electronics waveform systems, the fighter aircraft, MiG aircraft, Sukhoi, we are using our so many MiG aircraft and Sukhoi 30, she areas also we are using in our research development also. We are using that so many landing edge, tail cones, nose randoms, different types of also. We are going to qualify it for different types of vendor after they are making. Nowadays, the last 1 month back, the Tamil Nadu government also tie up with the different types of composite material, the DRDO. They are going to starting in the Coimbatore, there's some project composite material using in the aircraft industries. So how we are going to process will be happening in the different types of composite developments. We'll see one by one. The conventional composite molding techniques. Starting, I discussed about for the different types of methods. One is the match die molding and vacuum badging. It is one of the thermoforming process used for manufacture for many different designs, either shapes and size. That's why these two types we are going to specially selected for our laboratories. We are, as per our convenience manner, we are going to make development. Net shape fabric, however the shapes will come, we can easy to find out. The single shield molded, that is why this is a big advantage we are going to select in our developing in our laboratories. The rim, initially the experiment for process development. So we are using the different types of point influsions, edge location, wherever if we are going, the directional flow, either one directional or multi-directional directional flow also you are using the flow, the process. That is why these process generally are easy to adapt to the thermoforming process. The different types of thermoforming also we are making fabrication of the components, the prototype of fairing for the types of fuselage as per sizes. these are the final, this diagram is the final components we are for the fabrication we are going to make through our laboratories. So after the different types of composites also we are making different types of components. The prototype nose cone, the stiffness fuselage shell also, because we are using the composites n number of fiber. How you are going to oriental action, different types of, maybe you are longitudinal or lateral, multi-directional also we can use. That is a stiff, the n number of mechanical property we improved. That is why the stiffness fuselage we are using in the Nirbhaya. The prototypes down for mold, Ruston also we are using in the fiber components. So this is